lagi di baik, today learn in English. Before presentation today, say together basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And today presentation group 7 member group arranged by Alifa Hani, Nabila, Siti Rudatul Sarifah, Nida Ulhaq, Amarul Solehudin, Muhammad Rifan, and then Alfan Nurul Fikri. The topic material about comparison contrast paragraph. This is membahas tentang perbandingan kontrak paragraf. Nanti saudara akan menemukan conjunction. Ya, this is organization, block organization, ya, and then sentence structure, comparison signal, contrast signal, and writing assignment. Would you please the member group 7 Alifah, Nabila, Siti Rodotul, Nida, Amarul, Muhammad Rifan, and then Alfan Nurul Fikri. Would you please? Saya close kamera dulu ya karena lagi di luar rumah ya. Silakan. Would you please presentation share screen?
Sali bisa tolong share screen, Sali? Minta tolong boleh?
Ya baik, Rifan.
Iya, Sali baik. Ferry jangan ketawa-ketawa.
Nah, sudah kelihatan belum?
Sudah, Sali. Ini tolong digedein. Ya, tolong digedein doang. Udah, Sali, makasih.
Would you please Alfa, Nabila, Siti, Nida, Amarul, Muhammad Rifan, and then Alfan. Would you please?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Ma'am Rahima Sensei and all my friends.
Yes, I do.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amma ba'du. First of all, let's thank you to Allah the Almighty who has given us blessings so that we can gather in this online lecture. Secondly, peace and salvation be upon the great Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you for your time to Ma'am Rahima Sensei and who has given us time to present our paper. Paper enter that comparison or contrast paragraphs. Agreed by Alifah Hani Azahra, Nabila Azahra, Siti Radata Syarifah, Nida Ulhaq Nur Syifa, Amarul Solehuddin, Muhammad Rifan Hidayat, and Alfa Nurul Fikri. Okay, next. Organization, block organization, point by point organization, sentence structure, compressor signal, contrast signal, review, reaching assignment, organization. Compression and contrast is the concepting that we assess every day. For example, we compression and contrast question and teacher when we check which classes to take. We compress and contrast. Progress and process we serve and apply compress and contrast applies for jobs and a jobs applies compress and contrast job offers. In college class, you will often have to compress and contrast. For example, in an history class, you may be asked to compress and contrast with to historic figure or to events. In a literary class, you may have to compose two poems or two concepts in apply. Knowing how to writing compression or contrast paragraph is effort a self skill. We compare two or more things with the what is similar about them. We with contrast things with the what is the first about them. Actually, the emphasis is on the first, but sometimes as paragraph describes but similarities and difference. As you read the model paragraph, the which on compensates differs and which on described but similarity and difference. Okay, next. Okay, next reading Siti Radata Syarifah.
Model comparison contract paragraph. Ring brain, I left brain. The left and right sides of your brain process information in different ways. The left side is logical, rational, linear, and verbal. The ring says the other hand processes information intuitive, emotional, creative, and visual. Left brain think inward, where ring brain think in pictures. Forests would find more of the left side of their brain are peacemakers and honest. They are detailed, careful, and organized. In contract, Rembrandt intuitive and sensual when a left-brained person has to make an important decision. He or she make a mental list of all the factors involved and arrives at a decision only after careful analysis. When a right-brained person has to make of some decision of the on her and her or she is more likely to base it on intuition and feeling. For example, I like branded automobile chauffeur will consider I can cross all in fear and resolve flew wars and right brainer suffer basis on decision of how thin the chrome is, how soft the sides are, and how smart the car drivers. Of course, no one is one precisely brained I or one person brained itself on it might be stronger both this normal work together. Next, Alifah.
Read the following chart that the personnel manager for a medical laboratory prepared. In the chart, she summarized the qualification of two applicants for a summer job as a reception in a medical laboratory. Then read the memo she wrote to her boss. Two job applicants, education applicant GZ, hit a school graduate, 2 years college, 3.4 GPA. Applicant SW, high school graduate, 2 years college, 3.5 GPA. Work history, summer job as a file clerk in doctor office or some patient contact, volunteer in retirement home. Application SW, summer job car wash, pizza delivery, volunteer, library, gift shop, no patient contact. Interview, excellent, friendly, open, likes to be part of a team. Applicant SW, excellent, friendly, open, likes to work independently. Reference check, excellent, recommendation from what past employer. Applicant SW, excellent, recommendation for all past employers. Availability, applicant GZ June 1, application SW June 1. Next, Nabila.
Block organization. In block organization, your group all the similarities together in one block and all the differences together in one block. Both model paragraph use block organization. All similarities, all difference. Point by point organization. Important by point organization, you write about similarities and differences by subtopic. For example, if you are comparing and contrasting several wireless telephone plans, you might compare and contrast Simon-based subtopic. Cost of telephone, similarities and differences. Monthly rate, similarities and differences. Length of contract, similarities and differences. Reliability of service, similarities and differences. Sentence structure, just as there are signal, word and parts that help your reader understand time order. There are also word and phrases that help your reader understand similarities and differences. As you read the following model See if you can find that comparison or contrast signal. Two varieties of English. I talk US English in British English are mutually understandable language. There are quite a few differences. One difference is spelling. Some words are spelled one way in the United States, but spelled another way in Great Britain. A person goes to British the A3, but to US the tier. Analysis and socialist. A second area of difference in vocabulary. For example, the word college names two very different types of school in the United States and Great Britain. University level in United States and pre-university level in Great Britain. Also, British university students live in house on campus and in flat off campus, but US students live in dormitories on campus and in apartment of campus. Finally, there are many differences in pronunciation. One Great Britain, the sound of in the word but love and plan and dance is like the in father. In the United States, in contrast, the sound in the word is like the in cat. All in all, though there are differences between the English spoken in United States and the English spoken in Britain. At least we understand each other most of the time. The next, Calvin.
Comparison signal. Following is chart of the word and the phrases that show similarities. Note the numbers corresponds to the number example below the chart. Sentence connector. One similar likewise. One I also. One B two. Coordinating conjunction. Two and two. Subordination conjunction. Three as just as. Other, four similar equal the same. For A, similar to equal to just like the same as. For B, equally. Pirate conjunction. Five, both and not only but also. The next. Sentence connector. One in contrast on the other hand, however. Coordination conjunction. Two, but. Two, I, yet. Subordination conjunction. Three, will, we rise. Three, I, although, I'll talk, if even talk. Other, for difference, I from unlike. Five, differ from in. Alternative writing topic. Compare or contrast to culture on their topic. Meals and meal times, food eaten for breakfast, driving habits, other topic suggestion. Climates in two regions, home in two regions, to restaurant in your or morning people Nike people parents. Role ways of raising children, courtship, custom, punctual people, tardy people, need people, mishy people, shopping habits of men and women, dogs, and cats, as pet. Finish, ma'am.
Ini gimana ini meme-nya nggak ada langsung tutup atau gimana?
Kabarin gue aja, kabarin.
Sali ini gimana Sali? Langsung ditutup atau
Nggak tahu dah.
Ya lu gimana ketuanya?
Ya bro, bisa jadi ketua. Udah di record, Van. Van.
udah Mas Sali?
Tutup. Tutup, Rifan. Tutup.
Ini langsung tutup Salih.
Ya.
Thank you. Our paper is lesson and more sorry. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.